meteorologist Curtis Greveness.
Welcome back, everybody. Not a bad day out there, a little on the chilly side, but it could be colder, 32 with some cotton candy clouds out there, a little wind up to about 20 miles per hour. Great Falls, a lot of sunshine today, a decent amount of wind though, still looking at some gusts up over 30 miles per hour. Cooler, I don't even want to call this cold, 19 in Plentywood, the mountains, it was a little colder aloft, a little colder in the higher elevations. There you see that wind, not much in the eastern part of the state. Wind chills though, still 10, 30 in Havre, that's nothing. 16 down in Butte. Now we do have a winter weather advisory, northern parts of Idaho, and an avalanche warning down there for the mountains south of Bozeman, the Tobacco Roots, the Gravelies, Centennial Mountains as well. That is because we've had some heavy snow in the mountains recently. Now some warmer air is going to come in, and the snow will get a little heavier on top of that light, fluffy snow. So that's not a good recipe for avalanche conditions. Some heavy snow showers still up on the Continental Divide here. There's some persistent snow showers, and a few of those have worked their way across the Helena Valley. Not much accumulation. Great Falls quiet, Rocky Mountain fronts. Look at that, the Swan Range, the Missions getting pounded with some snow. That's a good storm system that brought some rain to the southwestern U.S. That's moving up through the Great Lakes, and some good moisture down there into the Four Corner States. So as we go through the rest of this evening, a few snow showers. Don't be surprised up around Havre and Rocky Boy, Harlem, Chinook, maybe out there around Malta for a few snow showers, even Lewistown here into the overnight. But it's really the Rocky Mountain front and the Continental Divide, the big belts, the Elkhorns, the little belts, where we'll see some light snow tomorrow as a warm front starts to work in. And that warm front, again, is going to produce a little denser, higher moisture snow. So that's why we've got the avalanche concerns. And so a little light snow may even develop Friday evening out in far northeast Montana. We're not talking big snow, we're not talking big cold. A big warm-up, though, is on the way. And there may be a shower on Saturday in the higher terrain, but really that's a computer model error right there. So as we go through tonight and tomorrow, still a decent amount of snow. Again, Rocky Mountain front, Continental Divide, a few inches. And then that's it, maybe until Thursday up next week. Tonight, teens and 20s, a few snow showers here and there, but nothing too spectacularly cold or unusual. A little snow up on the Divide, maybe around Lincoln tonight into tomorrow. Here comes that warm front. Helena, the higher terrain around town, could see maybe a few flurries. That's about it, but you head up on the Continental Divide, the Rocky Mountain front, might be a few inches of snow. Rogers Pass, McDonald Pass, Flesher Pass, Marias Pass, little snow, slippery conditions. That warm front continues to work east on Saturday. Look at that, popping back up into the 40s and 52 in Great Falls. The warm air continues to work its way east as we go into Sunday. Glasgow up to 42. Sunday is actually probably the nicer day because we have partly cloudy skies. And Monday, 47 in Glasgow. Talk about a January thaw. About 55 for Helena, the speed limit in some areas. Maybe a rain shower on Tuesday. It's next Thursday that we could see a front come through with a chance at some snow. And for Great Falls, also looking at a drop in temperatures, but yes, could be as warm as 60 next Wednesday.